This video explains how to install Angular/CLI for Angular 5. I am Shoaki Atsu of DGPub Japan. Angular/CLI needs Node.js. So if you have not yet installed Node.js, please watch my other video about Node.js installation and install it in advance. At first, you need to install Angular/CLI. If you have not yet, in your command line, type npm install at Angular/CLI at latest-g for global flag. That will install it on your machine as a whole. It will take some time. I already had it installed, so I don't need to do it. After installing at Angular/CLI, check the version by type ng-v. That will give you the current version number right here. Then make a directory for Angular project and change into it. Then in your command line, type ng-new your project name to create a new project. Any project name will do. Alright, it's finished. Then change into the directory by type cd your project name directory. You can also code editor. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code, which is very popular. Type code dot in the command line. Then Visual Studio Code will start. Then type Ctrl+at to open command line in Visual Studio Code. Now we can run local server by type ng-serve. We can access the server by localhost of port 4200. Open your browser and input localhost :4200. Then the initial page of Angular 5 will be displayed. Back to the command line. Stop the server by type Ctrl+N+C+Y and enter. OK. You installed Angular CLI successfully and checked whether Angular CLI can start local server or not. Thank you for watching.